आज करते यहाँ आने का मकसद करता हमारा जो इवेंट एक हुआ था अरुणाचल में MMT मॉडल ऑफ अरुणाचल 2022। इस कैटेगरी में दो कैटेगरी था, एक मिस था एक मिसेस था। मिस मॉडल अरुणाचल 2022 में पार्टिसिपेट किया था मेरा बहन राजानु। ये ऑफलाइन ऑडिशन 29 दिसंबर 2021 को हुआ था। फिर उसका पास प्रोमो वीडियो 11 जनवरी 2022 को, फिर उसका टैलेंट राउंड 5 फरवरी 2022 को, एंड ग्रैंड फिनाले हुआ था 3 फरवरी 2022 को। उसके बाद आफ्टर 18 डेज 21 को एक सोशल मीडिया का आप लोग का मीडिया का माध्यम से जो ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी माने सेक्रेटरी का एक कॉम्प्लेक्स आया था, तो उसमें मेरा बहन का टाइटल को दूसरा को देने का फैसला किया हुआ। तो वो 18 डेज का बाद कुछ भी रिप्लाई नहीं आया, पूछा भी नहीं, मेरे बहन को पूछा भी नहीं, अरे क्यों उसे छीन के क्यों दूसरा को दे रहा है। फिर उसके बाद 3 मार्च को वो टाइटल को सौंप दिया हमें होटल ऑफिस में। तो आज ये होने का बाद वजह से हमारा फैमिली का तरफ से मैंने एक केस फाइल किया मैंने MMT मॉडल ऑफ अरुणाचल 2022 को ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी को।
So I want to clarify this case. She is Miss Radhya Anu. She was crowned as Miss Top Model Arunachal 2022 at DK State Convenience Hall, Itanagar on 3/2/2022. And thereafter, her name was aired, her photo was in a news channel with a crown. So all came to know that she was crowned. So thereafter, what happened on 3/3/2022, suddenly she came to know that her crown has been given to another lady. That is, they were conducted at Paibas Hotel, Itanagar. Within a month, they have conducted 2 events for the same crown. So therefore, being agreed, she has no any alternate than she approached the Honorable Court, Civil Court in UPA, and accordingly, after hearing the petition represented by me on behalf of the plaintiff, the Honorable Court has stayed the title which was crowned to another lady on 3/3/2022 at Hotel Paibas. That is dependent number 1 Miss Gamnya Jingdam. So her title has been de-recognized by the Honorable Court, and the title which was given to the plaintiff has been restored, and stay order has been passed by the learned Civil Junior Division UPA, and these are the order copy. And today we have already taken our steps. All the respondent, that is, there is 3 dependent. Dependent 1 is Gamnya Jingdam, that is the title holder, and dependent number 2 is National Director cum CEO Almen Stadio, that is the MMT India Supermodel, Top Model India. That is one Mr. Aspaksa, a Jaipur based model who sponsored those model and to conduct MMT Model India. He is a CEO, so we have made him as a party. He is a necessary party in this case, so we made him as a dependent number 2. And dependent number 3 is Mr. Trichy Sanjay. He is a secretary of State Arunachal Pradesh of the event. And we have not made the party to one director who was state director of this state, because she is not dispute in this case. That's why necessary party we have made 3, that is Gamnya Jingdam and Aspaksa, the CEO of Almen Stadio who is also National Director of MMT Model India, and one Mr. Tichi Sanjay, State General Secretary of the events. So again, the matter has been fixed on 31st of this month. Since we have already got the interim order from the Honorable Court, now she is the title holder, and she is respectable that Miss Top Model Arunachal Pradesh 2022 under MMT India, that's Top Model India. This is the case, and we are also going to file one defamation suit against the defendant, number especially 1, 2, and 3, because not exactly 1, 2, and 3, because her name has been defamed after select her in the past event at DK State Convention Hall on 3rd of February 2022. Then why they should conduct another event, the same crown, at Hotel Pybus? And this become a lawlessness. Rule of law has been violated without giving any notice or so-called notice, and her title was given to another lady. So this is the case. So therefore, this such incident, such issues should not happen again, because our name, our state is defamed, our state name as well as it also defamed the character and the innocent lady who was already selected, and therefore in future also these things should not happen, and this should not repeat again in wherever it may be and whenever it may be. So even they have paid 1 lakh rupees, a check along with the case amount to her. So within a month, how they can change and how they can do that? This is somewhat questionable. This certificate is proudly presented for our honorable subtitle, Miss Top Model Arunachal 2022 winner. That is signed by Aspak Shah, the founder director, and Tichi Sanjay, General Secretary, and Gichik Ani, State Director, Arunachal Pradesh. So they are the MMT Model India, the title given to her. That was given on 3rd Feb 2022. And these are the check. The check they have awarded given to her.
ये का तिची संजय का कहना है कि आपका मार्क जो है, जो लेडी जिसको सेकंड में काउंट किया है, उसे वोट कम आया है. मतलब आपको किस तरह से विनर डिक्लेयर किया गया उसमें?
देखिए सर, वो लोग का ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जैसा उन लोगों ने बोल रहे हैं ना, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग से हम लोग को कहा गया था कि जब ग्रूमिंग सेशन जब हम लोग हो रहा था, उस टाइम को भी हम लोग को बोला था कि आप लोग अभी से आप लोग का मार्किंग सिस्टम होगा कि आप लोग मेहनत करो अच्छे से, वो सबको ध्यान दो जो ग्रूमर सिखाएगा. तो हम लोगों ने उसी हिसाब से मतलब लाइक उसको हम लोग फॉलो किया. तो बहुत सारा मेहनत किया, हम लोग भी ट्राई किया जितना होता. तो मेहनत करते करते फल भी मिला हमको. क्यों बोलने से ग्रूमर में भी हमको 10 मार्क फुल दिया ना, बेस्ट पर्सनैलिटी हमको दिलाया. तो ऐसे होके जो फाइनल राउंड में भी हम लोग परफॉर्म किया, सब लोग एक ही साथ था. मेरा हिसाब से तो वो लोग का क्या एग्जैक्टली अंदर मतलब प्रॉब्लम है, ये हमको इशू बिल्कुल नहीं पता. लेकिन जो भी है, अगर मार्किंग में अगर ऐसा सिस्टमेटिक अगर प्रॉब्लम भी था तो चलो, अगर इवन रात को अगर कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हुआ तो चलो उस समय सब लोग बिजी होके थोड़ा मेंटली थोड़ा डिस्टर्बिंग होके करेक्शन नहीं भी कर सका होता तो नेक्स्ट डे भी तो हम करेक्शन कर सकता था ना. तो पूरा 18 डेज हम घर में बैठा, पार्टी उटी किया बैठा. तो अचानक से हम फेसबुक खोला तो हमको दिखाई दिया कि सोशल मीडिया में मेरा नाम को लेकर ये सब करा था. तो हम ये कमेटी मेंबर्स लोग से भी हम बातचीत किया. तो उन लोगों ने तो बोला था हम लोग तो बहन आपको तो हम लोग का तो कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, जो कर रहे हैं जनरल सेक्रेटरी ही कर रहे हैं कि हम लोग तो आपको जैसा दिया था हम लोग का सामने आपको फाइनल डिक्लेयर कर दिया था. तो हम लोग का तरफ से तो आपको फुल सपोर्ट है.
अभी आपको जो अभी साहब ने बताया कि आपका डिफेम हुआ है, तो आपका नाम को डिफेम किया गया है यहाँ में, तो आप पूरा कंपनी को ये पार्टिसिपेट करने वाला है ना जिसने अभी जो सेकंड राउंड किया है इसका अगेंस्ट में करने वाला.
See one thing, since this MMT India, Model India is being under the chairmanship of founder chairman Mr. Ashfaq Shah, one he is Jaipur-based person, who is also CEO of Almen Studio, Jaipur. His address, everything we have. We will file against him 1 number, because of him, he called once he called he appointed one lady Gichik Ane, was appointed as state director. According to that appointment, event was conducted here. Meeting was conducted at Hotel Tatung, Naharlagun. A minute of meeting was held at Hotel Tatung on 6 November 2021. In that minute of meeting, they formed the committee on the strength of the appointment made by the national director to state director. According to that appointment, a meeting was held here at Itanagar. Accordingly, they made a 6-point resolution to conduct how to conduct the modus operandi of the events. Accordingly, event was conducted. So Mr. Ashfaq Shah, the founder, the director of MMT Model India, because of him everything was conducted. So we will file, number one, we will file against him a defamation suit of, say minimum we will file it may go up to 5 to 10 crore. So this we have already prepared. Very soon we will file, and after this 31st of this 3, the returnable, the Honorable Court has passed a notice to them along with the interim order that returnable by 31st of this month. So they have to appear arguing about my stay order, and thereafter simultaneously we will file a defamation suit along with money suit of 5 to 10 crores. That is sure.